Hi, welcome. I'm Olaudah Equiano, but everyone calls me Equiano. Here I am. Check out my home. It's magic. In my village, we are like one big family, but it's not always safe. Lately, we get attacked by more and more strangers who come from a distance. But we are great warriors here. Our men and women train and fight side by side, and we will never back down. We all know how to protect ourselves. Yeah! This page is strictly for random stuff. My brothers, don't ask. And of course, my sister. Ever since I was a baby, everyone in the village says I am blessed. I don't know about all of that, but one day I will be a great elder, just like my papa. But for now, I'm just me. Our lives are filled with art, music, dance, and poetry. Mama says we want to live in peace, but we will always fight to protect ourselves. I'm Equiano. Welcome to my life. Ngwa, follow me.